Hey, it's Zoran of Tiny Easy, and I'm so excited to invite you to my upcoming Design Your Tiny House with SketchUp webinar this Sunday at 1 p.m. New Zealand time. When you're first getting into designing your tiny house, you'll quickly learn that SketchUp is an amazing tool for this. But learning SketchUp from the ground up can be overwhelming, and you'll most likely end up trying to figure it out all yourself because the tutorials on YouTube just don't really help you. That's because designing a tiny house in SketchUp is really a specific task, and it requires a lot of in-depth knowledge to teach it well. So, my partner Eugene and I have designed our tiny house in SketchUp that we're currently DIYing, and have also designed over 50 tiny homes for our clients with the software. I have created this beginner-friendly webinar in which I'll walk you through three main parts. First, I'll explain the basics of how to successfully design your custom tiny house. Second, I'll help you master the basics of SketchUp. And last but not least, I will help you build a detailed SketchUp model of your custom tiny house design using the skills you will learn. In the first module, I'll show you how to design your unique tiny house by covering the best design practices and touch on every important step, from choosing the right size tiny house and trailer, all the way to finishing your tiny home's interior with detailed cabinetry, furniture, and beautiful materials. In the second module, I'll walk you through the most important tools in SketchUp that you need to build your tiny house to make sure you can confidently navigate the software and start gaining some basic autonomy. In the third module, I'll teach you how to take your tiny house design to the next level by building your concept from module 1 and then adding crucial details like the wall, loft and roof, framing, and how to plan ahead for your lighting, electrical and plumbing. As a bonus, I'll also explain how you can use your meticulously planned tiny house model to estimate the material cost, talk to builders, get quotes, and even use the model to DIY your tiny house. This webinar is perfect for you if you're getting started and you want to learn if tiny living could be right for you. You have some ideas for your tiny house design, but you don't know how to take it from your idea to a proper design because you just don't know how to use SketchUp. Or you know SketchUp but want to learn how to design a tiny house in detail from start to finish. Or you've built a tiny house in SketchUp but you don't know what to use your model for. I'll make the webinar super easy to understand, so you can jump right in even if you don't have any design or SketchUp experience. Click the button below to reserve your tickets for this Sunday session at 1 p.m. New Zealand time for only $15. There are only 50 spots available, so make sure to sign up now so you don't miss out. See you on Sunday at 1 p.m.